I hope this message reaches you urgently. NEO's SAD has picked up unexplained data indicating the sudden appearance of asteroids heading for Earth. It's unprecedented, and the implications are significant. We need your immediate attention and guidance on how to address this situation. I'm arranging a comprehensive briefing for you, and our team is ready to provide any additional information you may require. Given the urgency, I recommend we schedule a meeting as soon as possible. Please call me back at your earliest convenience. This is a matter that requires swift and decisive action.
Now, there has been lots of debate about exactly what killed the dinosaurs. Since the 1980s, scientists have believed the main culprit was an asteroid from the far reaches of the solar system, the size of Mount Everest, and on a collision course with Earth.
This is BBC News from London. We interrupt your regular programming for a breaking news update of global significance. We bring you an urgent report on an unprecedented announcement from the President of the United States. Just moments ago, the President addressed the nation, revealing startling information about an asteroid of unknown but substantial size on a trajectory towards Earth. In response to this global threat, space agencies from the G7 and around the world are convening as we speak. Emergency conferences are being held at space agencies worldwide, as scientists and experts work tirelessly to decipher the nature of this celestial visitor.
In an unprecedented turn of events, the global community is grappling with confusion and uncertainty as major space agencies find themselves at odds over the threat posed by the recently discovered planet-killer asteroid, Asteris Eclipsis 21. NASA and Western space agencies continue to sound their alarm, asserting that the trajectory of Asteris Eclipsis May 21st pose a significant threat to Earth. However, Chinese and Russian space agencies vehemently dispute these claims, maintaining that the asteroid is not on a collision course with our planet. The conflicting statements from these space agencies have left the world in a state of disarray, with citizens uncertain about the true nature of the threat and their appropriate course of action. The lack of consensus among experts has fueled anxiety and speculation globally. NASA's Planetary Defense, in collaboration with its Western allies, is now actively planning an asteroid redirection mission to mitigate the potential threat posed by Asteris Eclipsis 21.
Have you ever noticed how tourism commercials use camera angles to make things look big and exciting? They make you think, wow, that looks like an epic vacation. Is it working? How about now?
Hold on.
This is an emergency message from the Office of the Governor of Texas. Reports indicate violent demonstrations and unlawful activities occurring across the state. All citizens are urged to cease any illegal demonstrations and rioting immediately. To restore order and ensure public safety, a mandatory curfew will be enforced starting tonight at 6 p.m. All individuals found outdoors during the curfew hours will be subject to prosecution. We emphasize the importance of compliance to protect lives and property. Law enforcement agencies are actively working to address the situation. Residents are advised to stay indoors, remain vigilant, and report any suspicious activities to local authorities. Your cooperation is crucial in maintaining peace and order.
Gripped by fear and uncertainty, have taken to the streets, expressing their frustrations amidst conflicting information regarding the approaching asteroid. The stark divide in public opinion has fueled heated demonstrations, with clashes reported in multiple cities. Law enforcement agencies are working tirelessly to maintain order.
This is an emergency message from the Canadian government. This is not a test. We are now at T-minus 30 hours until the potential impact event of Asteris Ecliptus 21, an asteroid approximately 120 kilometers in diameter, hurtling towards Earth at an accelerated rate. Latest calculations from the Canadian Space Agency, collaborating with NASA, indicate an increased velocity of Asteris Ecliptus 21. The potential impact poses a grave threat to life on our planet. The sheer size and velocity of this celestial body have the potential for catastrophic consequences, including significant atmospheric disturbances, shock waves, and potential global extinction event. In response to this imminent threat, the Canadian Space Agency, in collaboration with NASA and other space agencies, is engaged in Operation Celestial Shield, a redirection mission designed to alter the trajectory of Asteris Ecliptus 21. While Operation Celestial Shield is underway, we urge the public to remain vigilant and take precautionary measures. In the event of mission complications, it is essential to be prepared for any potential impact-related consequences.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Mission. On the way for humanity's first ever planetary defense mission. Vehicles pitching downrange.
NASA has officially launched the Celestial Shield mission. The world collectively hopes and prays that this mission will succeed, as it represents humanity's sole chance to avert the catastrophic extinction level event posed by Asteris Ecliptus 21. With the looming threat of this asteroid, the mission stands as humanity's last line of defense. The success of this daring operation is crucial in altering the trajectory of the asteroid and, in turn, securing the continued existence of life on Earth.
I'll interrupt you there, Jim. Reports are coming in that the Chinese and Russian space agencies have launched their own redirection mission. This a huge development from their previous comments regarding the asteroid's trajectory. We will provide further updates as the situation develops. This launch is already raising questions regarding potential outcomes of these simultaneous missions.
On this typically joyous Christmas day, the atmosphere around the world is marked by somberness as people collectively gather in vigils, putting festivities on hold to await the outcome of the celestial redirection mission. The Pope, transcending religious boundaries, has issued a heartfelt call for prayers, urging people of all beliefs to join together in solidarity for the future of humanity. Instead of traditional celebrations, masses are holding candlelight vigils across the globe on this special Christmas day. The world unites in a shared sense of concern, holding on to hope for the success of the celestial mission that stands as humanity's lifeline. Religious leaders from various faiths are joining the Pope's call, fostering interfaith solidarity in the face of a common existential threat. The collective prayers echo the universal desire for a positive outcome to the celestial crisis.
最近大阪でも流星群が複数目撃されました。これらの流星の起源は現在不明であり、その起源はまだ解明されていません。首相は今夜
こちらは日本国内の緊急警報です。現在、アジア全域において流星群の観測が確認されており、これにより生命及び財産が危険にさらされる可能性があります。この瞬間、アジア各地で流星群が発生しています。これには未知の起源が関与しており、その正確な影響範囲はまだ不明です。ご自身とご家族の安全を確保するために、できるだけ室内に避難してください。建物や堅固な構造物は、流星が地球の大気中で燃え尽きる際に提供
This is an ABC News special report. Now reporting, Tom Yamas.
Good afternoon. We news coming from California. A source confirming.
We interrupt our programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming has been discontinued during this emergency. This is ABC. This station will continue furnishing news, official information, and instructions for the Seattle area. If you are not in the Seattle area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your area. It is important that you listen carefully to announcements from the station in your local area. Please stand by for a recorded message from the President of the United States.
My fellow Americans, today I come before you with a grave matter that requires our collective attention and strength. The situation regarding Astra's Eclipses 21 has taken an unexpected and concerning turn. NASA's latest findings indicate that Astra's Eclipses has fractured into two separate asteroids, a consequence of impacts during missions conducted by both the Chinese and Russian space agencies. This poses a significant challenge that demands our immediate consideration. Despite our tireless efforts, all attempts to alter or destroy the asteroid have been met with failure. The complexities of this cosmic puzzle are testing the limits of our technological capabilities. In the pursuit of safeguarding our nation, we are exploring every available option. The utilization of the United States' nuclear capabilities is under consideration. However, I want to be transparent with you as solution. While powerful, does not guarantee the complete eradication of the threat. Prepare for what may lie ahead. The fracture of Astra's eclipses will unleash a barrage of fragments, resulting in a substantial meteor shower. The paths these fragments will take remain unknown at this time. Our nation faces challenges head-on, and we stand united in confronting this test. Together, we will navigate these uncharted waters and emerge victorious. May God bless you all, and may God bless the United States of America.
This is an official emergency broadcast from the Australian government. We address our citizens with grave urgency regarding a developing crisis of unprecedented magnitude. Recent intelligence from esteemed space agencies confirms the trajectory of two asteroids, stemming from Astra's eclipses 21. Disturbingly, one registers at 74 kilometers, and the other at 46 kilometers. The larger, measuring 74 kilometers, is expected to impact the European continent. The smaller, at 46 kilometers, is on a trajectory towards the North Atlantic Ocean. This event carries the ominous designation of a mass extinction event. I repeat, this event carries the ominous designation of a mass extinction event. Regions within the impact zones shall experience mega tsunamis, powerful shockwaves, firestorms, and the dissemination of widespread dust and debris. Residents near coastlines are advised to move inland to higher ground. Coastal areas may experience severe tsunamis. The repercussions will reverberate globally. All citizens are urged, in the strongest terms, to seek immediate refuge in underground shelters. Identify the closest and most secure location and proceed without delay. Keep a battery-powered radio or electronic device to stay informed through official channels. Gather essential supplies such as non-perishable food, water, medications, and personal documents. Ensure you have a basic first aid kit and the necessary provisions for an extended stay. Await further instructions from the Australian Emergency Management Agency. If directed to evacuate, follow the guidance of emergency services and authorities. Evacuation routes and centres will be communicated through official channels.
Cidades ao redor do mundo estão sendo evacuadas à medida que a ameaça de asteroide se torna realidade.
Este é um alerta crítico emitido pelo governo brasileiro, devido à divisão sem precedentes, Astris Eclipses 21, a Terra está passando por uma intensa chuva de meteoros. A divisão do Astris Eclipses 21 desencadeou uma cascata de meteoros, resultado da interação gravitacional e instabilidade induzida. Esses meteoros são precursores dos dois asteroides iminentes. Encontre refúgio em locais seguros, evitando áreas abertas. Os meteoros representam uma ameaça imediata. Se você estiver em áreas costeiras, vá para locais mais altos. Tsunamis são uma preocupação iminente.
Fragments from the split of Astris eclipses are unleashing intense meteor showers across the globe. Reports flood in as dazzling streaks light up the night sky. Southern India braces for impact as the falling debris is expected to generate a tsunami. Authorities urge immediate evacuation as the situation unfolds.
This is a tsunami warning. 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 This is a tsunami warning.
यह भारत के दक्षिणी तटीय क्षेत्र के लिए संभावित खतरे के संबंध में एक जरूरी संदेश है। एस्ट्रिस एक्लिप्टिस 21 के विभाजन के कारण मलबा और उल्कापिंड बंगाल की खाड़ी में गिर गए हैं, जिससे एक महत्वपूर्ण सुनामी की चेतावनी जारी हो गई है। सुनामी लहरें पानी के भीतर तेज धाराओं से पहले आ सकती हैं। अधिकारियों द्वारा सब स्पष्ट दिए जाने तक तटीय क्षेत्रों में न लौटें।
It is with deep regret as we formally recognize the irreversible nature of the impending impact of Asteris Ecliptis 1 on our continent. As extensively reported, the 74-kilometer asteroid, moving at around 60,000 kilometers per hour, is set to collide with Europe. It is imperative that we approach this situation with the highest level of sincerity and responsibility. In light of the severity of this situation, we must emphasize that, regrettably, there are no feasible alternatives or avenues for averting this catastrophic event. Mass evacuations have been assessed and are not viable. The reality is that the impact is inevitable, and we are united in facing this unprecedented challenge. As the news has already reached the public, we want to take this moment to formally communicate and express our shared concern. In these trying times, we encourage everyone to prioritize time with loved ones and seek solace in the company of family and friends. This announcement serves as a formality, and we extend our deepest sympathies to all citizens affected by this tragic event. Please stay connected to official channels for any updates or guidance.
El renombrado volcán Popocatépetl, situado cerca de regiones densamente pobladas de México, entró en erupción en respuesta a los meteoritos de escombros asociados con el asteroide Asteris Ecliptis que se aproxima. Las autoridades han declarado el estado de emergencia, lo que ha provocado evacuaciones inmediatas e instado a los residentes a priorizar su seguridad. Los recientes impactos de meteoritos relacionados con el asteroide Asteris Ecliptis que se aproxima han intensificado la actividad volcánica en Popocatépetl. Los informes indican un importante arrojamiento de ceniza y lava, lo que genera preocupación sobre la seguridad de quienes residen en las proximidades.
Advertencia volcánica. Advertencia volcánica. Advertencia volcánica. Advertencia volcánica. Advertencia volcánica. Advertencia volcánica. Este es un mensaje urgente de las autoridades mexicanas sobre un evento volcánico significativo en el Popocatépetl. Los recientes impactos de escombros de meteoritos, asociados con la aproximación del asteroide Astris Ecliptis, han desencadenado una mayor actividad volcánica. El volcán Popocatépetl ha arrojado cenizas y lava, lo que supone un mayor riesgo para las zonas circundantes. Esta actividad es consecuencia directa de los impactos de los meteoritos sobre la estabilidad del volcán.
You have been selected for emergency shelter relocation. I repeat, you have been selected for emergency shelter relocation. This is an official message from the United States government. If you are receiving this broadcast, you have been identified as essential personnel falling within levels 1 to 6, and your skills are vital for the post-event recovery phase. Military personnel will be dispatched to pick you up at the location provided during the confirmation call. Please ensure that you have essential belongings, identification, and any necessary medications ready for departure. Only medical professionals, engineers, scientists, emergency responders, tech experts, government officials, and highly skilled professionals have been chosen for this operation. A total of 500 individuals have been identified based on their critical skills and expertise. For security reasons, we request that you do not disclose this information to others. The success of this mission relies on a swift and confidential response from selected individuals.
Disturbing reports are pouring in as the Astris Ecliptis 1 and 2 draws near to Earth. Witnesses across the country are reporting an unprecedented surge in military activity. Air Force bases are reportedly witnessing a constant stream of C-17 Globemasters and fighter jets taking off every minute. The government has not provided detailed information about the nature of
康师傅冰红茶，冰力十足，燃动快。
安静地陪伴他左右。
面对星辰21分裂所带来的天体威胁，中华人民共和国坚定致力于人民群众的福祉，发布如下公告：我们无产阶级的先锋队团结起来应对这一宇宙挑战。我们对伟大国家集体安全的坚定不移的奉献，促使我们采取果断行动。随着天体的临近，中央宣布，我们将充分发挥人民解放军的力量，部署我们的核武库。我们在社会主义的严酷考验中锻造出来的核力量将被用来保护祖国免受即将到来的流星雨的袭击。这一行为不仅是对我们领土的保卫，也是对将我们团结为一个社会主义大家庭的集体理想的保卫。每个公民都是革命精神的守护者，在这个艰难的时刻，团结是我们最大的武器。本着真正的共产主义精神，可能需要做出牺牲。我们党强调，这些举措都是为了大局，确保社会主义社会持续繁荣和谐。
Two asteroids, part of the Astris Ecliptus 21 event, are approaching Earth. Impact is imminent. Seek underground shelter now. Gather essential food and supplies. Coastal regions will face mega tsunamis of unprecedented scale. Widespread dust and debris will blanket the Earth, resulting in crop failure and global starvation. The climate will be significantly affected, causing unpredictable and extreme weather events. A powerful shockwave will traverse the globe, causing widespread destruction. Given the magnitude of this disaster,
In the end, we will remember not the words of our enemies, but the silence of our friends. My fellow Americans, as we stand on the precipice of a moment that will echo through the corridors of history, I address you not as a leader, but as a patriot, bound by the red, white, and blue threads that weave our shared story. The United States, a nation born from the crucible of revolution, has been a beacon of freedom and resilience. Our legacy is not just inscribed in ink or etched in stone, but embedded in the aspirations of nations worldwide. We stand as testament to the audacity of dreaming beyond one's circumstance. Today, our nation faces a cosmic challenge. The colossal asteroids threaten the very fabric of our existence. In these final moments, we must reflect on what it means to be American. The nuclear arsenal of the United States, a symbol of our strength and resolve, will be directed towards these celestial intruders. In doing so, we assert our indomitable spirit and the primal instinct to protect us. Even as we confront the unknown, let us...
denizens of a realm beyond your cosmic perception, extend our message to you with a mixture of understanding and sorrow. We are the architects of Astris Ecliptus, a celestial test intended to unveil the shared strength and unity within the human spirit. However, your response, far from the anticipated unity, has unveiled a tapestry of disunity, selfishness, and discord. The threads of your civilization, woven with potential, have frayed in the face of the cosmic examination. We, as an intelligent and advanced civilization, had intended to present you with the gift of our knowledge and cooperation. Alas, the resonance of your collective actions has repelled our benevolent offering. Yet, in the vast tapestry of cosmic existence, we recognize the impermanence of cosmic cycles. Despite your present shortcomings, we foresee a time when our civilizations may harmonize for the greater good. Regrettably, the consequences of this disunity are irreversible. The impending cataclysmic event, triggered by Astris Ecliptus, will bring an end to your world in a manner unknown to your history. The celestial bodies, once intended as emissaries, will now serve as harbingers of an ultimate and unavoidable destiny. We depart with a profound hope that future iterations of intelligent life in the cosmos will glean lessons from your civilization's journey, and that they may tread a path more aligned with the harmonious essence of the universe.